It's going to be a long haul, but he will be well. And it's just so tragic how it happened.
It's the first time House Speaker Nancy Pelosi is speaking about the attack on her husband, Paul. Good evening. I'm Amma Dates.
And I'm Dan Ashley. Thank you for joining us. It's been 1 week since Paul Pelosi was awakened by a stranger with a hammer in their San Francisco house. It was 2:23 a.m. last Friday, October 28th, when Pelosi called 911 after a man broke in. On Monday, charges were filed against the suspect, David DePape. On Tuesday, he pleaded not guilty. Pelosi spent almost a week in the hospital. He was released just yesterday. And today, the date for the preliminary hearing in the case was set.
ABC 7 News reporter Luz Pena was in court this morning and has the latest. Luz.
Yes, Amma and Dan, this was the first step ahead of a potential trial. On December 14th, the district attorney's office will have to prove that they have enough evidence against DePape for a trial. This is all happening on the same day Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi updated her supporters on her husband, Paul. Today, for the first time since the attack, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi spoke on camera about the status of her husband's health. This a week since David DePape allegedly broke into the Pelosi's home and hit Paul Pelosi in the head with a hammer.
It's going to be a long haul, but he will be well. And it's just so tragic how it happened. But nonetheless, we have to be optimistic. He's surrounded by family, so that's a wonderful thing.
Pelosi was speaking to her supporters in this video. Today in court, a judge set the date for the preliminary hearing in this case.
At this point, we will be determining what witnesses we need to call, whether we call a victim, whether we call the 911 dispatcher, whether we present certain evidence.
San Francisco District Attorney Brooke Jenkins said they have strong evidence against DePape to take him to trial, including body camera video from the two officers who responded to the 911 call last Friday.
The police observed Mr. DePape pull that hammer away and then strike Mr. Pelosi.
DePape was not in the courtroom, but Christine Pelosi, the daughter of Nancy Pelosi and Paul Pelosi, was present. The judge revealed today that she had worked with Christine Pelosi in the 90s.
We are unclear at this point whether that judge will hear any evidence in that case.
UC Hastings law professor George Bisharat was a trial lawyer for the Office of the Public Defender in San Francisco. He gave insight into what David DePape's defense team may be planning.
In this particular case, it appears possibly that there may be a mental defense. So the defense attorney is likely to ask any questions to elicit testimony that substantiates that the defendant was acting bizarrely.
Now, David DePape faces 13 years to life in prison if convicted of state charges, which include attempted murder, burglary, and elder abuse. DePape has entered a not guilty plea to all these charges. In the newsroom, Luz Pena, ABC 7 News.
Luz, what about the federal charges against the suspect?
Yes, the Justice Department has also charged DePape with 2 federal crimes: assault on the family member of a federal official and attempted kidnapping of a federal official. DePape has not entered a plea in federal court yet.